Good afternoon, it's Jim at Thunderbolt Locks, and I'm here today installing a lock conversion relay on a 2023 Ford Transit. So the application of this relay is going to be the same with any vehicle. You have to locate the main power unlock wire, and on this vehicle it's going to be located at the fuse box. It is a violet with a gray stripe. It's about a 18 gauge wire. We are going to interrupt this wire under the dash. We're going to show you in a diagram. When I cut that wire, the unlock portion of this switch is not going to work. So what we're going to do with our conversion relay is there's two white wires, and we are going to attach one leg of the white wire to each side of the cut violet gray. The black wire is going to go to ground, any metal chassis on the vehicle, and the red wire through the fuse holder is going to be tapped into an ignition powered source, which we will identify on this 2023 Transit. Everything you need is going to be located right at the fuse box itself. So once this gets installed, it inhibits the ability to unlock the locks of this vehicle at any time unless you have the ignition turned to the on position or the vehicle is running. So as I turn the key on, now I can unlock the doors. There's locked, there's unlock, key off, lock, no unlock feature now on this vehicle. You can always use the remote control to operate these locks. It's the lock conversion relay from Thunderbolt Locks.